Hello everyone, myself Kasturi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Engineering. So in this case study video, we are going to discuss about mobile app startup. So as a mobile app startup, managing and deploying an application can be a daunting task. So platform as a service, it is a service provided by the cloud architecture, provides a comprehensive solution to streamline development, deployment and management of applications. So in this case study video, our students are going to present about the challenges faced by mobile app startups and what are all the solutions available in cloud computing. Thank you.
Introduction to PaaS. Platform as a service is a cloud computing model that provides developers with a platform to build, deploy and scale applications. Unlike traditional infrastructure, management PaaS offers higher level of abstraction, allowing developers to focus on writing code and delivering features rather than managing servers, storages, networks. PaaS solutions typically include development tools, middlewares, databases and other essential services including security. This makes it particularly valuable for startups that need to streamline their app development process. Startups, especially those developing mobile apps, face the challenges of limited resources and time. They need a platform that provides end-to-end support for development, deployment, testing and monitoring. Below, we will outline the key PaaS features a startup requires to successfully manage and deploy a mobile app.
Monitoring and analysis. To ensure optimal performance, a startup needs to access a real-time monitoring and analytics of an app performance. PaaS platform typically offers tools that track metrics like response time, server load and error rates. These monitoring tools allow startups to detect performance issues earlier and optimize the app before they user get affected. Moreover, a PaaS platform can often integrate a third-party analytics tool that provides insights to user behavior, which is critical for improving the app and enhancing user experience. Services like Google Analytics and Firebase Analytics provide detailed reports on user engagement, retention and app usage, helping startups and make data-driven decisions.
The next feature is about security. Security is a top concern for any mobile app, especially in industries that deal with sensitive user data such as fintech or healthcare. PaaS platform must provide a robust set of security features to protect against data breaches, malware and other threats. Essential security features include encryption.
Deployment automation. Automated deployment is essential for a startup aiming to release updates frequently. A good PaaS platform will support continuous deployment and integration pipelines, allowing developers to push now code with minimal manual intervention. With deployment automation, the platform will automatically pull the latest code from the repository, run tests, and deploy the updated version to production of all test paths. Deployment automation reduces the time spent on releasing new features and ensures that updates are consistent and reliable. This feature is critical for startups because it allows them to iterate quickly and respond to customer feedback without worrying about the complexities of manual deployment. Tools like GitHub, CI, CD, Circle CI and Travis CI integrate well with PaaS platforms to provide continuous deployment capabilities.
The next feature is database management and integration. Mobile apps typically rely on back-end databases to store user data, transaction and other key information. The startup needs a PaaS platform that offers flexible database options including support for relevant databases, example MySQL and NoSQL databases. Startups often have limited database expertise, so it's crucial that the PaaS providers offer managed database services to handle backup, scaling, security and performance optimization. In addition to management databases, the platform should provide seamless integration with the external services such as payment, gateway, third-party APIs and cloud storage solutions. Startup must ensure that PaaS platform supports a wide variety of database solutions, allowing them to choose one of the best suits for their app's need in terms of performance and scalability.
Development environment. A startup needs a robust and easy-to-use development environment to manage the mobile app. PaaS platforms provide pre-configured development environments that support multiple programming languages, frameworks and tools. This reduces time developers spend on setting up the environment and allows them to focus on core app functionality. For example, if the mobile app is built with Node.js, Python, Ruby or Java, the PaaS platform should provide native support for these languages. It should also integrate with popular IDEs and development tools like Git, Jenkins and Docker. The availability of containerization tools ensures that the app can run consistently across different environments, minimizing deployment risk. Moreover, having a development environment with the built-in collaboration tools enables teams to work together more effectively, especially when distributed across different locations. Integrated version control and continuous integration tools help streamline development workflows.
The next feature is cost efficiency. For startups, managing operational costs is critical, and PaaS platform can offer cost-saving opportunities. Most PaaS providers offer pay-as-you-go principal models, allowing startups to scale resources based on demand without overcommitting the expensive hardware. With PaaS, startups can avoid upfront infrastructure costs and only pay for the resources they consume, which is vital during the early stages of app development when revenue may not yet be stable. Additionally, PaaS platforms provide built-in resources monitoring tools that allow startups to track usage and optimize their expenses. Startups can also use reserved instances or spot instances to lower costs further. Predictable workloads are involved.
So the conclusion for our case study is, for startups developing mobile application, choosing the right PaaS platform is a crucial decision that can affect the success of the app. The ideal PaaS solution provides a balance, scalability, security, automation and cost efficient while offering specialized features that meet the unique needs of the mobile app development. By leveraging the right PaaS platform, startups can streamline their development process, deploy application faster and scale their infrastructure as they grow. Ultimately, the right PaaS platform empowers startups to focus or innovate a user experience, which are key for driving a competitive market.